Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are in good health. I am back with the part 2 of the video cloud computing. Please like, subscribe and share to my channel for more tech related informative topics. Now let's get into the video. So previously we are discussing about the types of cloud computing. So type number 2 is private cloud. Private cloud is a cloud infrastructure dedicated to a particular organization. Private clouds allows businesses to host applications in the cloud while addressing concerns regarding data security and control, which is often lacking in a public cloud environment. It is not shared with other organizations, whether managed internally or by a third party, and it can be hosted internally or externally. Hybrid cloud. Hybrid clouds are a composition of two or more clouds, private, community or public, that remain unique entities but are bound together, offering the advantages of multiple deployment models. In a hybrid cloud, you can leverage third-party cloud providers in either a full or partial manner, increasing the flexibility of computing. Augmenting a traditional private cloud with the resources of a public cloud can be used to manage any unexpected surges in workload. Components of cloud computing: software as a service, utility computing, cloud-based web services, managed services provider, infrastructure as a service. So let's define by discussing these. SaaS. SaaS refers to software that's made available as a web-based service. Utility computing. The predecessor of cloud computing, utility computing provides the ability to access storage and virtual servers on demand. Cloud-based web services. Similar to SaaS, web services in the cloud allows you to offer services online, such as credit card processing services, employee payroll processing, or viewing an interactive map. MESP or MSP, the grandfather of cloud computing. An MSP delivers applications to IT instead of end users. AS refers to computer infrastructure, example virtualization, that delivered as a service. Recent developments. In 2007, Google, IBM, and a number of universities embarked on a large-scale cloud computing research project. In early 2008, Eucalyptus became the first open-source Amazon Workspace API-compatible platform for deploying private cloud. Advantages of cloud computing. Flexibility. There is a high rate of flexibility. Low cost. Companies can save big by employing cloud computing as it eliminates cost for hardware and software. Speed and scales. Traditional methods to buy and configure hardware and software are time consuming. Easier management of data and information. Since all data are located on a centralized location, data are more organized, making it easy to manage. Device diversity. We can access our applications and data anywhere in the world or any system. Increased storage capacity. Increased storage capacity is another benefit of the cloud computing, as it can store more data as compared to a personal computer. Easy to learn and understand. Since people are quite used to cloud computing applications like Gmail, Google Docs, so anything related to the same is most likely to be understood by the users. Automatic updating. It saves companies time and effort to update multiple servers. Customized setting. Cloud computing also allows you to customize your business applications. Disadvantages of cloud computing. Dependency. One major disadvantage of cloud computing is users' dependency on the provider. Risk. Cloud computing servers means taking service from remote servers. Require a constant internet connection. The most obvious disadvantage is that cloud computing completely relies on network connections. Security. Security and privacy are the biggest concerns about cloud computing. Migration issue. Migration problem is also a big concern about cloud computing. Conclusion. So while cloud computing is really great and you are probably already using it either for business or for personal means, here's what we have learned from taking a look at the pros and cons. Cloud computing is a really cheap way for companies to have all the resources they need in one place. It's a much better way to spread your resources and it becomes easier to assess things for longer distance. So guys, that's it. That's the end of my today's video. Thank you so much for watching.